What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high.
So I don't keep doing more. Keep the light up to run.
Keep the sky.
I can feel.
On the 7, ubig kaya yung paninda natin? Alas 5. Kaya pala maraming tao. Good afternoon everyone. Today is Sunday, July 7. And today I'm going to take you to Vaughan, Ontario. There's a Fiesta Extravaganza event here in city of Vaughan by Fiesta Extravaganza. I'll show you what's going on here. Yeah, this is it. A lot of people around here, so let's see. I'm gonna look you around. Let's take you around. Let's go around this area. Looks like someone is selling halo-halo. Wow. I'm gonna buy one for me and for my wife. Top seller. It's for $8. It's kind of hot today. It's like 28, 29 degrees. So a lot of people are buying food. Yeah, this is it. Agpuan. Wow, lots of food here. They're selling halo-halo. I do this coming Saturday I do have one.
Ano nga bang ano mo?
Foreign photography.
No, I know, pero ano?
Photography.
Video and ano lang?
Just photo. That's why I don't get more.
Oh.
Because they
Pagka ako customer mo, magkano ano?
libre ka na lang.
Hindi pa ano, kasi naghahanap na ako.
Busy too. Today is so busy. Let's see what's going on here. Oh. Game na. One more. Oh. Okay, let's see. Oh. Got it. Wow. Wow, good. It's good.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat po ulit sa Fiesta Extravaganza. Kami po ay One Manila and most especially po for the organizers of Extravaganza.
Oh, I'll show you something
See you
here.
next week po.
It's a design made 47. that's a cooking show. Making a cooking.
Maraming salamat po ulit.
And this one.
Hi, sir!
Hello!
Hindi na po kayo.
Yeah! I'm making two rounds.
Hi, vlog!
Hello! Wow!
Yes, meron po.
Very good lechon.
Tatlo, po.
Tristan! Cheese for Tristan!
There you go. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Wow. Let's see. Looks good. And I guess that's it for this
Alright, doon po sa Fiesta Extravaganza Blue booth, doon po pumunta kayo and just go over there and matutulungan po kayo, okay? And at the same time, Ben and Ben, everybody, who's a fan of Ben and Ben?
Okay, let's wait for the main event. The Vina Morales concert.
Bisayang dako magsaba. Once again, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Doms. Ayan, sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, nice to meet you everybody. Sa mga nakakilala naman sa akin, muling pagkikita po, ayan, marami pa tayong mga events na magkikita ulit. Sana supportahan niyo po ang series of Fiesta Extravaganza. After nito, kasi nangyari na sa BC, we also had, saan ba? Sa Toronto, yes, and then this time sa Bonnie Fiesta Extravaganza. Next week will be sa Brampton with Gabby Concepcion. Yes, si Mr. Gabby Concepcion, ang ka-love team ni Sharon Cuneta. Diba? And then sunod-sunod na, you can follow all our social media accounts, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Louder! Ayan, parang may Vena. May Bisaya talaga dito. Vina po, hindi po Vena. Ha? Vina Morales po. Ulitin, ha? Ulitin natin. Vina, hindi Vena, ha? Okay. Vina! Vina! Okay, in 3, 2, 1, sabay-sabay tayong lahat. Louder! Mga madlang people, I give you the ultimate performer, Miss Vina Morales!
Payong! Payong!
Vaughn!
Excuse me.
Are you ready to sing and dance with me?
Anong payong?
Let me hear you scream! Come on, everybody! Come on, Vaughn! No matter how hard I try,
Ayan, ang dami, ang dami.
you're pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you leave it. It takes time to believe it. But after all that's said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, do you believe in life after love? Do you want? I can hear something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. No, 'cause I know that I'll get through it. And I know that I am strong. believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. No. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. No. All right, fun. It's your party today.
Dina Morales. Live in Toronto, Canada.
Love sometimes can be like destiny. There's no way to say forever. Standing hands with silent wings. And love sometimes it's like a blow. Wow! Hello mga kababayan! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ha? Ang lamig, ano? O parang nasa US lang tayo. Parang Tagaytay lang, di ba? But anyway, thank you so much for being here today. This is your celebration. And let's give a big hand to the Philippine Extravaganza for Arts, Culture, and Heritage. For bringing me here to Von, and also to Von Canton. Let's give him a big hand. And to the whole team. I'm so happy to see everyone tonight. Today, that everyone's having a great time. Dagan pag Bisaya, dari. Mga Ilocano. Kapampangan. Ang mga Ilocano ay
Ayun, oh. Ang dami. Narito lahat.
Mga Bisaya. Ilonggo, parang ganun din yan eh, Bisaya. My dad is from Bohol, so Ilonggo din.
Bujol!
Ha?
Bujol!
Taga Manila! Ay, parang konti lang. But, you know, to all of you who came here, maraming salamat. But let's give yourselves a big hand. Alright, since this is your celebration, because this is like yearly, right? So I'm just so happy that I'm one of the guests today for the Von Fiesta Extravaganza. So I want this to be very special. Actually, I just came from the US and flew here. And I'm just so happy that I get to perform for all of you today. Gusto niyo bang mga teleserye ang aking awitin? Alam niyo, hindi ko napansin na napakarami na palang teleserye kong nagawa na theme songs. So I'm really grateful to ABS-CBN, TFC, for giving me the chance to sing the songs of the theme songs of mga teleserye. And so we made a medley of those beautiful music just to bring back those memories. Diba? Oo, diba? Nakakamiss ang Pinas. So I'd like to bring this medley of music. And I'm sure familiar po kayo. So if you feel like singing with me, just go ahead and sing with me, okay? All right, here we go.